Hello, my name is Charlene Rogers. I'm a student at Bryan and Stratton College. My degree program is Human Resource Specialist. I have a link through mycred.com. Today I will be going over my course in CAPS265. I have an articulation worksheet. In this worksheet, I will be going over programs and institutional outcomes, course names, brief description of the course portfolio, including summary of how outcomes were met. First course, Human Resource 233. Description describes a primary component of human resource in organizations and integrates those components in the decision-making process. Brief description. Employment law and law relation focuses on law, labor laws, research, decision-making skills, administration, contracts, influences legislation to protect workers' rights, complies with labor laws, knowing what can and cannot be asked during an interview, and much more. Course outcome reached by learning how to recruit, retention, employment satisfaction, training, and things of that nature. Next course, Human Resource 205. Program outcome. Use data to make informed human resource decisions. Brief description. Organization behave and leadership of where I learned about different differences between management and leadership. Decision making, analyzing behavioral health studies, learning communities course, and different focuses. Course outcomes reached by doing research, lectures, including essays on leadership and professionalism in the workplace. Next course, Business 213. Program outcome, apply employment law to human resources concepts and components. Brief description. Business law ethics course teaches legal ethics, court procedures, contracts, employment law, and more. With research and lectures, I was able to meet this outcome. Course outcomes met by learning legal and ethical challenges, contracts, security laws, business structures, and much more. Next course, Human Resource 217. Differentiate between ethical and unethical behavior for individuals, groups, and organizations within today's work environment. Brief description. Formal learning happenings in training-based organizations and or online, the internet, whereas informal is based on life experiences, which I have knowledge and experience in both. Outcomes met by doing research, essays, staffing, functions, recruitments, theories, and things of that nature. Next course, English 102. Select and apply current technology skills. Brief description. I improved my research and writing skills to help me in my future in human resource departments. With old and new technology, I am able to keep up with today's young minds. Course outcome at writing essays, research, critical thinking. Human Resource 205. Program outcomes. Assess management and leadership knowledge, skills, and abilities. Organization, behaviors, leaderships is where I learned the difference between management and leadership, decision making, analyzing behavioral health studies, learning about communities, cultures, and differences. Next course, Human Resources 205, Program Outcome. Evaluate the impact individual and group behavior has on an organization. Brief description. The impact individuals and group behavior have on organizations can be the difference in non-union shops becoming a union shop. Course outcomes. By doing research, lectures, including essays on leadership and professionalism in the workplace, and research on unions. Next course, English 102. Program outcome, utilizing appropriate current technology and resource to locate and evaluate information needed to accomplish goals and things, and to communicate findings in visual, writing, and other or oral formats. Brief description. I improve my research and writing skills to help me in my future career in the resource department. With old and new technology, I am able to keep up with today's young minds. Course outcomes met reading, writing essays, research, critical thinking. Next course, Human Resource 217. Transfer knowledge, skills, and behaviors acquired through formal and informal learning and life experiences to new situations. Brief description. Formal learning happenings in training-based organizations and or online with internet, as well as informal and life experiences. I have knowledge and experience with both. Course outcome met, essays, staffing functions, recruitments, theories. Next course, Communications 104. Program outcome, employee strategies, reflections on learning, the practice adjustment, learning processes, continuing improvement. Learning communities course focuses on communication skills, the study of human communication process, including multicultural perspectives, and the importance of diversity. Completing my lectures and portfolios help me meet these outcomes. Reporting, writing, including defining newsworthy events through all media, were part of my completing the outcomes. Next course, Math 201. Program outcome, follow established methods of inquiries and mathematical reasoning. College mathematical focuses on probabilities and statistics, things such as estimations, regressions, analysis, probability, distributions, correlations with applications in different research worksheets, making data worksheets, spreads, adding data based off of information given in assignments. Last course, Communications 104, participate in social, economic, and professional communities for individual growth and to function as a citizen in the multicultural world. Learning communities course focuses on communication skills, the study of human communication process, including multicultural perspectives and the importance of diversity. Completing my lectures and portfolio projects helped me to meet the outcomes of this project. Thank you.